Both.
Can you see just it?
Yes, 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 yes.
Open the cover.
Okay, yes.
You know, open
Yes.
the cover, the water is full.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah,
no
that's
good.
not-
Yeah,
that's
that's no
not
good. Does it drain very slowly?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Very slow, sometimes it's full.
Sometimes it's full.
After I
Okay.
finish my shower,
Okay.
and then under tomorrow, again, gone.
Gone.
The water's
Okay.
gone.
Okay,
Tomorrow,
that's a good
tomorrow.
that's a good sign. At least it goes.
Yeah, yeah, can you see? Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Yeah. Okay.
This one's all jumped up as well. So I got a screw on the side. Pull it out bit by bit by bit. That's the way you want to be doing it. Wow. we found your culprit anyway.
Yay. More hair?
Yeah. Like a baseball size amount.
Wonderful. Thought it was a rat.
Yeah, I get that a lot. Okay. So in future, you need a screwdriver, and there's a little screw here that you just loosen and you tighten, and that's it. So you just pull it up, and you'll see it on the floor. You'll see it on the tub floor, and you just tighten that back in. That's it. I myself would delete this. I would delete it and keep it only if I needed to, like, for a bath, right? She should get some sort of guard here, some sort of like shield. You can buy them on Amazon or some.
Like in the sink?
Something like that, like a strainer. Yeah, exactly.
So that tightens it back onto the stick.
The stem, yeah. Yeah. It's just kind of a tight one, but yeah, it's just about it.
But that stick is sticking out though. How do you put a strainer in?
So you'd have to take it out. You'd either have to delete it completely. You could buy like you could delete this completely and buy like a plug, like a manual plug as well, like a plug that you could just plug this and not have this anymore. Like delete, throw this away, and then you could get an actual strainer here as well. They're like a rubber strainer, kind of like a starfish or something like that. They have little fins on them. Like they work very good. Do that.
Okay.
That's about it. Just want to get this back on and fill it up a small bit. And then once I fill it up a small bit, I will just do a leak test or a flow test again. It's just you have to get it right on the money here. It's kind of a tight spot. Yeah. Okay, no more. I'm not ready for the chopstick. Okay. Okay. This doesn't work anymore. That doesn't work anymore. Okay. Let's fill this up without getting wet.
Sounds good.
Sounds good to me. I'll do one more time. One more time, but for good measure.
It depends how long because she's getting hungry.
I could come back another time if she likes. It'll take me like 10-15 minutes.
And how much is that gonna cost?
I have to go to the iPad.